build off of that corner and see where we want to go after that.
Right. And then with the lid, what we'll do is we'll just, when it's, you know, welded together, we'll take some final measurements, and then we'll just build that lid over a little bit, and then just build sides, 3-4 inch sides that go over, and we can actually even take a piece of, or that insulation, wrap it over the edge, so it's like, you know, insulation between there. Won't let gas and flames escape out the side. Sit right over it. Everything should come right out the top hole.
I like it.
And
okay.
then, yeah, I think
right.
that's
that'll be
off to a good start.
The way to go.
Okay.
A few more tacks in here.
Safety squints. Very nice.
There we go.
You can see it's pretty dang square along here, along this edge. So we'll probably run this water. Just make sure. All right.
Speaking
We're
of,
gonna talk about it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna just get the main body tacked and get it to where we really like it, which we don't feel like we're too far off at all, if even off. I think we did pretty good for a skill saw and some so make sure that everything is at least, you know, mostly square, and then a lot of this will be, you know, these outer boxes, the way we have it designed is we'll actually have inner stringer pieces that kind of go on there. Your big head on that one. Safety squints.
oh no, yeah, still D3.
That's how this welder first.
1, 2, 3. That sounds 100% different than mine.
Well, look good, like it?
Yeah, we're pretty close. I don't know if that's flux core. No, it's flux core.
Square it, make some adjustments. Well,
Okay. I have to grind this, cut this, take this off and grind this down a hair.
what's that?
Might have to cut this off. You see how this
Okay,
that
let's see.
cut kind of faded in?
Right.
We might need to take that out. Grind that down. Cause I wonder.
This is why you just tack.
Because we're pretty square right there.
All right, we got got this beast flipped over on the side here. We're just talking about it. I think we're gonna look at, instead of running full welds down the entire seams, I think we're just gonna do like 2-inch, 2.5-inch tacks, and then because it's got the side fillet pieces, and then I think we might weld the entire outside. Yeah, we're still kind of talking about that, but I think that's kind of what we'll do. That work for you?
Yeah.
If we weld all of them.
On the outside ones, we can just grind it till it's pretty.
Grind it till it's pretty. That's right. Yeah, it's coming along really good. Very happy with the progress. Set you guys up, probably do a little time lapse, and then we'll come back when we're pretty happy with it, and we'll talk about the side fillet pieces, getting those cut.
Dogecoin finally paid out. Stupid bugs.
Yeah,
I can feel them all dive-balling me in here.
they're probably not happy about that once they get in there.
No, they regret it instantly.
Yeah. Alrighty, as you can see, we kind of ran out of daylight, so I think that kind of concludes the body work for the night, but we got a lot done. I mean, that's most of the body together, and so all that's left is really just...
yeah, really all that's left is we need to weld it, cut these down, weld those in, and the body will be done. We still have the lid left to do. We need to insulate it. What's that going to be? Next, probably next video, right?
Probably next video, yeah. We're still shopping for insulation and making sure that we're picking the right products, but yeah, I mean, insulation and burners, and then...
drill the holes for the burners?
Yeah,
still need to do
drill some holes. Yeah, a couple more videos left in the build series, but I think we've made a lot of progress.
Yeah, good start. To
show you the scale, though, this is, we think this is pretty cool. That's the furnace we've been using for all of our melts so far, so that's much bigger. Much bigger.
It's average.
Yeah.
It's average.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just keeps going.
Oh yeah. Must be it.
so much lighter.
Oh.
Who put that together? Yeah. No. I got another bolt.
Yeah. We don't know any other way. Turn it up and let that sucker eat.
I mean, that stuff was liquid.
Honestly, I still like copper more.
Oh, I like copper more, but
$400. Pretty good.
Will it weld quarter inch?
Yeah.
It's 200 amp, isn't it? Or like 180, you say?
I think they claim 200, but it'll only go up like 180. Yeah, it definitely spilled out.
I'll pick that up real quick. This is exactly what you're not supposed to do. First time doing aluminum. What do you think?
First time. Yeah, I mean, just holding these things, they're so much lighter than the copper ingots. I'm going to go, they each weigh a little less than 2 pounds. I'm going to go 7.5 whole stack.
I won't go slightly over. I think I'm going to go 8 pounds for the whole stack.
8 pounds. Okay, you're thinking they're 2 each.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Let's try it out.
Oh, no.
Off to a bad start.
What have I done?
What have you done? 3.1. Okay, that one is light.
I'm in trouble.
Okay, 4.9. You're in real trouble, dude. 6.6? Ah, got you again. Got you again. Well,
Point out, like, look how, David, these were overflowing,
yeah,
coned up actually when we poured them,
yeah.
and they've dished down. The amount of contraction is unreal.
It is. Alrighty, should we add them to the stack?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.